Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, it looks great. You have the chrome accenting on your grille up front with your halogen headlights, your fog lights there, chrome bumper, and your tow hooks. Coming around the side, we do have 20-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires, lots of tread left on them, and the rims look great. You do also have your chrome mirrors here, and they are the tow mirrors, so they do fold up just like that. Gives you lots more room. Then you also have your running boards along the bottom. You do have a 5-foot box back here, looks great. You got your bumper, dual tailpipes, and your Bighorn badging, as well as your backup camera there. Looks great back here, lots of room, and it does have the box liner in it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. Now, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting, handle here, some storage there, and some more down here. Looks great in here. Very nice seats, very soft, very comfortable. You do also have the controls over your seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. Then you do also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil life up there. Now, you can also see that we have 4,000 kilometers, pretty much nothing. You can switch that around to our vehicle info, our fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your voice recognition and your Bluetooth there. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Back to the steering wheel, volume up and down with the source changer. You do also have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you do have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Controls over heated seat and heated steering wheel. You also have your Uconnect apps right there. You got your climate control here, dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can turn the menu off, and you also have your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You do have your gear shift right here, just like that. You also have the control over the 4-wheel auto, 2-wheel, lock and low. And then you also, when you're in your backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Down here, we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, your back button, and your tuner browser. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off auto. Then you do have your defrosts there. You have your trailer brakes here. You also have your traction control, tow and haul mode, heated seats, heated steering wheel, bit of storage right there. Then you also have your cup holders here with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders here, as well as a USB and an aux cord plug-in. Close that up, lift this guy, some storage under there, as well as some storage just underneath there. Then over here we got our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer right there. Right up top we do have the control over our little window in the back and the universal garage door opener. Let's take a look in the back, open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control of your windows, handle, some storage, and some more down there. Looks great in here, very comfortable seats as well. You can fold this guy down right here. You got an armrest with some cup holders as well. You can fold this up, and you do have some storage just underneath there. You can also fold these guys down just like this, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. You can do the same with the other side. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.